In this video, we'll break down the Romanovsky Roulette Strategy, a system that claims to give you an 86% chance of winning on every spin. You'll see how it works, why it feels so effective, and what the real risk behind it is. What the Romanovsky strategy is. The Romanovsky system is built around one simple idea: cover most of the roulette wheel, win small amounts often, and accept that losses hit hard when they happen. It doesn't rely on patterns or progressions, just heavy coverage. How the strategy works. Here's the setup. You place 6 bets per spin, 2 dozen bets, and 2 corner bets. You bet 3 units on each of 2 dozens and 1 unit on each of 2 corners. That's a total of 8 units per spin. This setup covers 32 of the 37 numbers on a European wheel. When the ball lands on a covered number, you win 1 unit. When it lands on one of the 5 uncovered numbers, including 0, you lose all 8 units. That's the trade-off: frequent small wins, occasional big losses. On screen, you can see how most of the table is covered, with only 5 numbers left open. Every Romanovsky layout works the same way. The positions can change, but the math never does. Probability and the catch. On paper, this system gives you an 86.48% chance of winning on any single spin. That sounds great, but every loss costs 8 times more than a win. Because of that imbalance, the expected value stays negative, and the house edge remains the same as standard European roulette, about 2.7%. So even though you win often, the casino advantage never disappears. When the strategy makes sense. Romanovsky works best in short sessions. It's suited for players who enjoy frequent wins and a smoother ride in the short term. It's not built for long play, because one losing spin can erase several previous wins. Always use it on European or French wheels. Avoid American or 000 tables, where the odds are worse. Bankroll and risk reminder. Since one losing spin costs 8 units, you need a bankroll that can handle that hit and a clear stop loss before you start. If you're unsure, testing the system in demo mode first is a smart move. Some players combine Romanovsky with other betting systems. For example, a Paroli approach, increasing bets slightly after a win, can stretch the streaks further. Or a Martingale tweak, doubling after a loss, can help recover but also skyrockets your risk. Keep in mind, none of these combinations remove the house edge. They only change how fast you win or lose. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons. First, the pros. The system is easy to learn. It covers most of the wheel, and it delivers frequent small wins, which can make play feel steady and controlled. Now the cons. Each loss is heavy. It requires a solid bankroll. And in the long run, the house edge always catches up. The Romanovsky strategy is a high-coverage system that can feel rewarding in the short term, but it's not a way to beat roulette. Use it for controlled sessions. Keep your limits clear and always know when to walk away. Want to see all 6 betting patterns and a deeper mathematical breakdown? Check out our full guide on the Romanovsky Roulette Strategy at Chipy.com and explore more roulette systems like Martingale, Fibonacci, and James Bond.